Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Larissa and I post cleaning, organizing, and decluttering videos every Tuesday at 9 a.m. So if you enjoy those types of videos, be sure to hit the red subscribe button down below so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. In today's video, I am doing a very relaxing weekend clean with me. Since I work full time, the weekends is whenever I get most of my cleaning done. So I just like to take my time, have fun with it, listen to some really good music, and get my cleaning done. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video.
Baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, nobody could break us. Yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, you and me. Baby, it was you and me.
So after I got my bedroom kind of cleaned up and I cleaned that fan off, and boy, that fan needed to be cleaned off, I am just starting a load of laundry. Since it is just me and my boyfriend that live together, we don't have a ton of laundry, but somehow we definitely create lots of dirty laundry. So I just wanted to get that started, and then I'm heading back into the bedroom to get the rest of it all tidied up.
Growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, you and me. Baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, nobody could break us. Yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, you and me. Baby, it was you and me.
And after I was done cleaning the bedroom, it was time to move on into the kitchen. So I'm just starting with unloading the dishwasher and putting all of the dishes away so that I can eventually reload the dishwasher and then start wiping the microwave out and wiping the counters down and everything else. So that is a tip that I have for you guys, is to do not leave a room until it is 100%. So I did not leave my bedroom, well, besides to start the laundry, but that kind of goes hand in hand. But I finished everything that I needed to in the bedroom before I moved on into the kitchen, because I'm the type of person that can, if I start jumping around, I can get very overwhelmed, and then I feel that I'm getting nothing accomplished. And so I just like to take it room by room.
Baby, it was. Been feeling trapped down on the floor. I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold. I can't let it go. Chain up, no one knows. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go, floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way, and face that shit another day. We go bottoms up. Shaking through my car, left me in the feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way, and face that shit another day. We go bottoms up. We go bottoms up, and face that shit another day. We go bottoms up.
Why you wanna let me go, nah, nah, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know, nah, nah, now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you?
It's kind of hard for you to see here, but you can obviously tell what I'm doing, and I am just scrubbing out the microwave. I don't think that I have ever let our microwave get this bad. The before shot that I took, that I inputted before I started cleaning the dishes in the sink and everything, showed what it looked like, but I don't think that it truly showed the full effect of how bad it actually was. I usually like to stay on top of this, but this week it just got out of hand.
Why you wanna let me go, nah, nah, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know, nah, nah, now. Cause you love me.
Can we just take a second to talk about how disgusting the top of my stove looks? That spot gets so greasy from whenever we cook bacon or ground beef or anything on top of the stove. All of the grease will splatter onto that black part, and since that part is black, I feel that it shows dirt and grease and everything so much worse than if it were stainless steel.
How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go, nah, nah, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know, nah, nah, now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go, nah, nah, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity.
Next, it was time to tackle this bathroom, and I am definitely trying to take advantage of living in an apartment while we do, since we only have one bathroom, and our apartment is very small in general, so it's very easy to keep up on, but I am not a huge fan of cleaning the bathroom. I hate cleaning the showers. Cleaning the toilet is okay, but I hate cleaning off the sink and the showers and everything, and there's always dirt and stuck on spots and beard hairs and everything, so I'm just not a fan of cleaning the bathroom. But to clean my bathroom, I have been using the Method bathroom cleaner in the spearmint scent, the anti-bac, I think. But I am not a fan. That spray that you saw me use on our sink is definitely my least favorite cleaning product out of all of the Method and Mrs. Meyer's products that I have tried, and I've tried a lot of them. I just don't like it. It's way too strong for me, but I'm trying to use it up so that it doesn't go to waste.
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold of me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard. Cause you're in my space and now I'm so. Pull me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken.
So what you're seeing right now is our catch-all spot, and we have so much junk over here. Those giant trash bags that I'm moving out of the way are clothes that Matt is donating to Goodwill that no longer fit him or that he no longer wears. And he had a lot of clothes that he doesn't wear anymore, so I'm really glad that he cleaned out the closet. We also had a friend stay with us for New Year's Eve, and we still had the air mattress over there all folded up, so I was just putting that away. And then I'm also eventually going to move that bookcase back out more into the living room. When we had our Christmas tree, we put our Christmas tree where the bookcase was, right there where I'm vacuuming, and then we moved the bookcase over there by the red chair. So I'm just moving that all back so that everything can finally be completely back to normal.
A shot away from me to be my everything, 'cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. You think you got the best of me, but just because I'm giving you my love for free, are things not for real? You've been telling everyone about us, but you are not the only one I call for fun. Late night to hear love guns. No, you won't see that I'm lying to be on my own, on my own. No, you don't hear when I told you I fear we are done, that we are done. Oh, hands in the air like I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, love's in the air and I don't care. Music is fair to me singing.
So I got a comment on my last video about how funny it was that Jasper would just sit there and watch me and how cute it was. And he is just the craziest, silliest, most goofy dog ever, because he is so like terrified of the vacuum, but he also will want to be right next to it. Like I can be in the other room cleaning, but the second that I bring out the vacuum, he has to be right there. It cracks me up.
Without blinking. No, you won't see that I'm lying to be on my own, on my own. No, you don't hear when I told you I fear we are done, that we are done. Oh, hands in the air like I don't care.
Next, it was time to take out the laundry that was done drying so that I could put my wet sheets and throw blankets into the dryer so that later on tonight I will be able to make our bed and I can fold this laundry later on tonight.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, baby. Come on, come on, baby. Come on, come on. Oh, hands in the air like I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, love's in the air and I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on. Come on.
never felt tomorrow.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you have stuck around to the end of this video, please comment an orange heart down in the comments below. I think that it would be so fun for me to see who all has actually stuck around throughout the entire video. And again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on my weekly cleaning videos. And I love you guys so much, and please give this video a thumbs up and have a great rest of your week.
Yeah, now I